Good morning, everybody. This is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So yesterday there was not much that was happening, and at the same time there's not much that's been going to happen today. So FOMC is today. We need to wait for them to come out of their meeting and then tell us about all the wonderful things they're going to do for the economy and the US market, and then investors or traders will start trading that noise as it comes out. So it's quite simple. They have to come out with a plan for the rates, so to stabilize the bond market at the moment. So if they come out with a plan to stabilize the bond market, we should shoot to 4,000. If they don't do anything, then expect a pretty deep dip, and that's the place where you're going to be buying. So that's kind of how simple I think it's going to be. I'm a little bit worried because we are really tired at the moment. So we are overbought on all time frames, and if you look at the 3 hour, we've actually already rolled over, pointing down, and kind of balancing act here at 39.59, which was a reasonably good area to get in long, but right at the close of the market, so it didn't really make sense. At the moment, trend is up. Obviously we're looking for structure. This is the first bit of structure, 39.59. Then we have a little bit further down at 39.47, and then 39.33. So those are the areas we need to pay attention to today, which is pretty much exactly what it was yesterday. At the moment, you can see there are buyers coming in off this level. I'm not trusting that very much at the moment. So we'll just wait and see what transpires. If we do start breaking above these two 1 hour bars that are formed, well, the one that has formed, the pin bar, and this other pin bar that is starting to form, if we get a close above that, then I would say that is done. The test is done, and we can now move to the upside. But I would have expected that yesterday as well, but look at that, nothing really transpired, to be honest. I just want to drop down to 15 just to see if there's anything else we need to pay attention to. You can see we've got a crossover of moving averages at the moment. We're flirting with the 155, and you can see how important this level is here. Okay, there's nothing really much here, and my advice is really just sit on hands, wait for the FOMC to come out, and once that noise is out, then start looking at your levels, and the levels we've got are pretty much as they are. So and expect volatility. They start as soon as they start talking, and really it's just a press briefing after the meeting, and the algorithms are going to go nuts trading whatever word they pick up in that press briefing. So I typically stay out of it. I don't even bother with it. Wait until the noise is over, and then look at the structure, and then get in for the trade. So that's kind of my view today. It's sit on hands until the noise is over. We'll have a look at it later tonight, for me anyway. It's just late tonight, and see if there's any opportunities. But at the moment, sit on hands. Wait for the noise to finish before doing it. And the last thing we need to point out here, I'm going to do this on the 5 minute. You can see we have a triangle forming, and that's so typical of FOMC. We form a triangle, and then might go to a bigger triangle, or it might just go into a range, but pretty much sideways price action, and that's kind of the structure that you're going to see. Okay, so anyway guys, that's me, quite simply. Not really interested in taking a stab just yet, but we are at a pretty strong level, so just watch that level closely. If we're still hovering around this level tonight at the FOMC, then it could very well be an acceleration. And if the acceleration is to the upside, it's 4,000 you're looking for, and it should more than likely be in, out within a couple of minutes. I think it'll be a pretty strong move to the upside if it does go. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.